My first job was at McDonald's at 14 and a half as a fry guy. First one of my friends ever to get a job, I had to get a work permit at 14 and a half. Second job was when I was working at at Dunkin' Donuts drive-through, being like the order taker, making coffee. I grew up in Boston, Massachusetts. So Massachusetts runs on Dunkin' Donuts. Everybody loves Dunkin' Donuts. Most kids have a Dunkin' Donuts job when they're from Mass. So McDonald's, first job. Dunkin' Donuts. Then I worked on a ferry, right? I worked on a ferry that sold like soda, hot dogs, chips, sodas, nacho ferry food, right? Boom, third job. After I graduated high school, right? I never went to college. I worked for a site contractor, right? Site contractor, just being a laborer, right? Just being a laborer, digging ditches, driving the Bobcat, just, doing labor intensive work in Massachusetts. Then I got in trouble, right? I got in trouble. I went down the wrong path in life. I went to Florida. I moved to Florida. I got in trouble, caught a couple of felonies in Florida on probation, did that for a couple of years. Then once I stopped getting in trouble, I became a dishwasher at Olive Garden because with a felony, I didn't have any skills. I never went to college. I didn't really have any skills, right? I could work hard. I was a hard worker, but no really skills that actually allowed me to make money. So boom, I was working as, like I said, a dishwasher at Olive Garden in Orlando, Florida. Then one day I came home, I went on Craigslist.com and was looking for ways to, make extra money, side hustles, work from home type of thing. I tried everything. Tried Forex, didn't work. Tried multi-level marketing, tried selling drop shipping, like e-commerce, stuff like this. All that shit bought every single guru course in the world, right? Spent $7 on the guru course, $97 on the guru course, $1,000 on the guru course, until I realized that, until I found out about affiliate marketing. Once my first mentor showed me affiliate marketing websites and how I can get free links and how to use social media to advertise on, then it became possible. Then I started to make money from home. Then I started to make a couple $100 a week. A couple $100 turned into $500-$600 a week. Then it turned into $1,000 a week. Then it turned into 10,000 plus months. Then it turned into me making over $100,000 online from home with affiliate marketing. And at the end of the day, I don't have a Lamborghini. I'm not here to flex. I'm not here to show you all the money in my bank account. I'm not even going to flash money in front of your screen because you can look up affiliate marketing yourself. You can do your own Googles. You can do your own research. Just Google affiliate marketing, right? It's generally speaking free. There are free affiliate marketing websites that you can join for free, right? Then just learn how to advertise on social media. You can watch a couple of YouTube videos. You can, ask around. You can do all this stuff for free. If you're smart and have, some work ethic and willing to learn, you can learn it. Because I worked those 6 jobs, no college education, but I learned how to do affiliate marketing and make over $100,000. I probably made over $500,000 since I've been doing affiliate marketing online from home in commissions. And like I said, McDonald's, Olive Garden, McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, ferry, site contractor, dishwasher, multiple felonies. I just figured out that affiliate marketing was how I wanted to make money online. I learned the skill, I applied myself, and now I make a lot of money online with affiliate-based marketing. Thank you guys for watching the channel. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing masterclasses, go to the top of my link or the top of my page or click the link below. But my name is Alex, and this is how I make money from home as a regular guy. Peace.